Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand where JavaScript runs or where we can run the JavaScript. Mainly, JavaScript runs on browser and Node.js environment. Whenever you are doing a front end or a UI development, you use the browser to check your JavaScript such as drag and drop, click action, etc. Whenever you are doing a back-end development or a server-side application development or a API development or a test automation code development, we use the Node.js environment. Throughout the learning of our JavaScript, we will be using this Node.js environment. We will install the Node.js and we will use it for running the JavaScript. The UI developers basically use a browser to check their development working fine or not, such as drag and drop, click on certain button, all those UI related actions. Also, there are certain other environments wherein you can run the JavaScript such as Deno, Bun, certain cloud platforms, etc. They are for specific purpose. In general, JavaScript can run anywhere where JavaScript engine is available. This JavaScript engine, wherever it's available, we can run the JavaScript. Front end or a UI developers mainly use the browser for running the JavaScript. Backend developers and test automation engineers mostly use Node.js for running their JavaScript throughout their development work, and other environments are used for some specific purposes. Majority of the time JavaScript runs either here on Node.js or on the browser for most of the tasks. For certain specific things, there can be other environments which can provide the JavaScript engine for running the JavaScript. For understanding purpose, let us practically see how we can run the JavaScript on the browser. And throughout our course, we will be using Node.js environment for running the JavaScript. Now let me open the text editor and we will write the JavaScript code in that. And then we will open it using the browser and we will try to run JavaScript by performing certain action. Now this is my sample JavaScript code. We will perform a click action here, and once you perform click action, it will provide this message, thanks for clicking on the button. And within the HTML, we are calling this JavaScript, and this is the script part, right, within the script tag, and this is the HTML code. We are calling this particular JavaScript here whenever you click on this button. What we need to do is, I will open the folder and I will create a one text file. Touch, I will just say test.txt. I will open this text file and go to the here text editor. You go to settings and here you need to select this particular option here in open and save. If you are working on Mac, display HTML file as HTML code instead of formatted text. Otherwise the page will not display properly, it will just display the code. You just have to tick this checkbox. In the settings, you need to go to here text edit, then settings, then go to this particular open and save tab, then check this checkbox. Now I will copy this code and I will paste it in this one, and then I will save this, and then I go to this folder. This txt file, I will rename it as a HTML file. I will change the extension here, .txt to .html. It will ask, are you sure you want to change the extension? Yes, we will use HTML. Click on this. Now it is changed to HTML. Now you can right click on this, open with browser. So this is the HTML page. Once we click on this button, it will call the JavaScript code. If I click here, it is calling the JavaScript and you get this message, hello, thanks for clicking on the button. This is how it runs on the browser. When the JavaScript runs on the browser, it will be slightly slower compared to when it is running on the Node.js. For our learning of JavaScript, we will set up the Node.js environment and we will use this environment for running our JavaScript code. Thank you for watching.